Behind me is the Taligaon Government Primary School. Recently we saw the tiles being removed out for maintenance work. In spite of the yellow alert being announced, it's been raining from the 20th and today is the 27th and nothing has been done so far. When I walked inside, I saw the whole place was flooded. If you look on top, the false ceiling that was there, it's been collapsed, as well as there's a projector which is totally damaged. All the cupboards and the classroom boards have been damaged. Everything has been dumped on one side with a plastic wrapper. And this is the sad situation. I want to ask our CM, who's also the PWD minister, is this how you're going to give us the government schools? You had promised that everything is in order and you're taking good care. This is the situation that is. Besides the school is our MLA, Jennifer Monserrat, who stays there. I want to ask Jennifer Monserrat, what has been her responsibility taking care of the government schools? Has she taken any action on this? This is a sad situation where our elected representatives are not bothered about our government primary schools. We have few more days till school reopens on the 4th. Is this going to be ready for the children to enter in? Have they planned where they will accommodate the children? We have Casa de Po, which is right there. Will they transfer all the children over there? There is no planning being done. Infrastructure is in haphazard condition. And also, I feel sorry for the Rotary Club of Miramar, who has invested in this place to provide all the equipment for them. And today, in spite of the rains coming down, they have not removed anything and everything is just damaged over there. This is the sad reality of our government schools here in Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.